Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming inputs so recording is clean and predictable. Plug your mic or interface into USB, then open BandLab and pick a new project. Once done, select the correct input device in BandLab's track header and match Windows sample rate to 44, 100 or 48, 000HC to avoid drift. Make sure monitoring is off until levels are set. Then speak or sing at performance volume while watching meters so you don't clip. Now set up the track and signal chain so the recording captures what you intend. Create an audio track and assign the exact input channel from your interface, choosing mono for vocal or mono instruments. Enable input monitoring in BandLab only if latency is comfortable. Otherwise, use your interface's direct monitoring. Adjust gain so peaks land around -6 to -12 decibels. This gives headroom for processing. Also choose a low latency buffer if you must monitor with effects. When you're ready, arm the track and press record. Perform with consistent distance from the mic and watch meters for any clipping. Once finished, stop and review the take. Trim or comp multiple takes, then name and save the project to BandLab's cloud so you don't lose work. If you hear nothing, make sure the input is selected in both Windows and BandLab, verify phantom power for condensers, update drivers, and confirm sample rate matches between system and BandLab. Those are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.